Hey there, and welcome to Smart Learning Foreign Language. Bonjour everyone. Welcome back to Smart Learning Foreign Language. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends learning French. Today's lesson is super useful. We're going to learn how to use the French verb se laver, which means to wash oneself in l'indicatif présent, or the present tense. This is a pronominal verb, and I'll show you a super easy way to understand and use it with live examples. So let's begin. So, what is se laver? Se laver means to wash oneself. Like I wash myself, you wash yourself, and so on. Because it's a reflexive verb, we use reflexive pronouns with it. Now, let's look at the structure of se laver in the present tense. Here's how we conjugate se laver in the present tense. Je m'y lave, I wash myself. Tu te laves, you wash yourself. Il, elle, on se lave, he, she, or one washes himself, herself, or oneself. Nous nous lavons, we wash ourselves. Vous vous lavez, you, formal or plural, wash yourself or yourselves. Ils, elles se lavent, they wash themselves. Don't worry, we'll now break it down with live examples. Alright, let's jump into some live examples and see how this works in real sentences. First up, je me lave le visage. That means I wash my face. Next, tu te laves les mains avant de manger. In English, that's you wash your hands before eating. Then, il se lave tous les matins, so he washes himself every morning. Let's try another. Nous nous lavons après le sport. This means we wash ourselves after playing sports. Here's one more. Vous vous lavez avant le dîner. That's you wash yourself or yourselves before dinner. And finally, elles se lavent ensemble, which means they wash themselves together. Pretty straightforward, right? Now just a couple of tips to remember. Always use the reflexive pronoun me, ti, si, nous, vous, si. The verb acts on the subject itself, and that's exactly why it's called reflexive. Oh, and don't forget to practice with daily routine actions like brushing, combing, or dressing. These are often reflexive in French. Keep practicing, and it'll soon feel natural. Oh, and don't forget, please hit the subscribe button to stay updated with more French lessons. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, and, share it with your classmates and friends. By the way, check the video description below for the best collection of French learning books and dictionaries at, honestly, huge discounted prices. You'll also find a special French communicative course, plus an exclusive self-guided e-guide for CBSE and ICSE school students. And of course, our contact details are there if you need any help or learning support. Merci beaucoup for watching this lesson on se laver. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and, well, I'll see you in the next video with more smart and simple French lessons. Au revoir et à bientôt. Smart Learning Foreign Language.